I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a voucher for Salesforce certification. Obtaining a certification can significantly boost your career, and a voucher makes it more accessible. Many programs offer substantial discounts, sometimes reducing the exam cost by 50%. We'll cover the primary methods to secure these valuable vouchers, helping you save money while advancing your skills. Let's dive into the details of each opportunity. Salesforce's own Trailhead platform is a fantastic resource for earning vouchers. By completing certain learning paths or modules, you can often unlock discount codes for your certification exams. Additionally, engaging with the Salesforce community, attending virtual or in-person events, and participating in challenges can also lead to voucher opportunities. Keep an eye out for special promotions, especially around major Salesforce conferences, where discounts are frequently offered. Many Salesforce partners offer certification vouchers as part of their training initiatives. If you work for a partner company, inquire about their internal programs. Furthermore, employer sponsorship is a common way to get your certification fully or partially funded. Discuss your career goals with your manager and see if your company has a budget allocated for professional development. Investing in your skills benefits both you and your organization. For students, Salesforce often partners with academic institutions to provide significant discounts on certification exams. Check if your university or college is part of such an alliance. Additionally, some nonprofit organizations or government programs may offer training and certification support. Always stay informed by following official Salesforce announcements and their social media channels. New opportunities arise regularly, so consistent monitoring is key to securing your voucher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.